Alright, so your device should be plugged in and hooked to your freezer, and the green light should be on. If it's not, for some reason, you can simply call the number that is in the insert, or that I said at the end of the last video. It's the same number for customer service. But now you can go to proteashub.com. Alright, this is the web cloud monitoring service. And when you get here, you're going to see login, register, and reset password. You're going to go to register, and you're going to type in your email address. This is the primary email. This is the one that you put in first, next to the green box after we connected it to your Wi-Fi in the last video. So use that same email address, and then type in the password that you want to use for this account. All right, there's no confirmed password. Sometimes there's like 2 password boxes to type it and retype it. This one is you just type it once. All right. Oh, I've already exist. All right. So I'll go in here, and all right. Now yours, you should have green right here. Mine's actually unplugged right now. I was doing something with it, so that's why mine says check power to freezer. It shot me an alarm and a text and all that in an email. But yours should be green, and it should say like powered or good to go. It'll be green. All right. You can, mine says here, a load sensor. All right, you can click alarms, and that actually tells you the history of was it on or off. I've been playing with mine for the purpose of shooting this video. You have settings. You can set the name. So my freezer's in my garage. So whatever this says, probably Proteus something. I just put mine to the location and the free input freezer, so I know where it is. If you have more than one, or if yours is maybe upstairs or in the basement, you might put basement freezer. All right, electric load on-off sensor. That's that little piece you hook to the cord, the power cord. Load is normally off, alarm went on, or normally on. Mine is normally on because I have my deer meat in there. So alarm went off, so alert me when it goes off. All right, so make sure you select that one. Sensor is on always. You can schedule it at different times. I don't do that because I have a lot of deer meat in my freezer, and I want it on always. And I want it to notify me. I want it normally on and alarm me, send me an alarm, an alert when it's off. You can set custom messages. I just put as my alarm message, check power to freezer with an exclamation point. It's urgent. So when I get an email or I get a text message, it says, check power to freezer, garage freezer. All right, and you can put a reset message if you want to. I didn't really choose to do that. You can do alarm delays. I don't get into that personally. It doesn't serve this purpose. Buzzer, enable buzzer. All right, definitely click that. I put snooze after 0 minutes. Now it says the value must be greater than or equal to 1. But it says you can also leave it blank to have it beep continuously until until you do something about it. You unplug it, you reset your device, whatever. I think what I did is I deleted the 0 and left it blank, because if I put 0, it actually wouldn't let me save it for some reason. So I just deleted the 0, left it blank, and then click save down here at the bottom of the page. That way, this ensures that that thing's going to keep beeping until someone turns it off. So if you're gone for 3 days and you have it set to go off for 60 minutes, well, it's going to stop beeping after 60 minutes. Well, if you get back in 3 days, you'll never know that it beeped for 60 minutes. Now, at the same time, you would have gotten emails and text messages to you and whatever other 4 or 5 different numbers that you set. So, let's see, that's the buzzer. Select your time zone. All right, notifications. You can text, email me. All right. You're going to enter your emails and phone numbers. And let's see, how to get texts. Now this is how you actually put in multiple email addresses and phone numbers to receive text message alerts. So you want to look up here, find your carrier, and it's going to be your 10-digit phone number at whatever it says.com. If you have T-Mobile, it's tmomail.net. So you put your phone number at tmomail.net. Just follow suit there. Again, you can add multiple numbers. So here's an example. You could do john@gmail.com, then his wife Alice, maybe his comma, lovely Alice at hotmail.com. There's no spaces. You simply put the email, the number, and then separate each with a comma, no spaces. So here's like a phone number. If the phone number was 101-125-1465, and it was Verizon, it would be at vtext.com. They did that. They put a comma. They put another number at txt.att.net because that's what you do for an AT&T one. So you can put those all in there in this exact format. All right. So click notify me when alarms are reset. Notify me if power or Wi-Fi goes down for more than I put 10 minutes. For me, I put 10 minutes because if it shuts off and then comes back on in 10 minutes, I don't care that it turned off because nothing defrosted in my freezer in 10 minutes and got ruined. All right. So I do like to know when the alarm is reset. So that's why I make sure I click this one, because if it goes off, I like to know that it tells me, hey, it came back on. You're good to go, Brian. All right. So optional email list for alerts. You can read more about that if you want. Click this green button after you've done all this. That will save all your settings. All right. Now you can come over here to the graphs. It'll show you like your load sensor activity. It takes a few days for this to catch up and load. I don't use that at all. Frequently asked questions. Contact us. All right. So you have total support with all this. And again, this will be green. Mine's not because I'm unplugged right now. But bad for the example, but it's unplugged. And so you are totally taken care of with this. You are totally protected with this. Your meat is safe, and you have a company and a cloud service that notifies you and backs you up and takes care of you with this and your meat so that your freezer, if it goes down, you're taken care of. So always know that. Reach out if you have any questions, and we're here for you. Enjoy your meat.